CRISIL experts moderated a panel discussion with the leading dairy stalwarts from Amul, Hatsun, Heritage, Dodla and Sterling Agro on June 29. The objective of the webinar was to evaluate the current status of the industry and future roadmap under the shadows of the third wave. Almost everyone was positive about the near future demand for hygienically processed and packaged dairy products. Concerns related to farmers and consumer milk prices and impact on demand due to closure of Horeca were also shared. The key findings of an in-depth research done by Team CRISIL is shared as below. Organized dairies revenue will grow by 5 to 6% in financial year 22 but will rebound to pre-pandemic growth of 10% in financial year 23 only. This growth will be supported by growing value-added milk product sales and steady liquid milk demands. The operating profitability in dairy sector will be moderated by 0.5 to 0.7% due to the higher average milk procurement price compared with last year. High margins on value-added product will again help in arresting drop in operational margins below 5% levels. Finally, the panel concluded that the recovery momentum will continue provided the vaccination picks up and there is no major COVID waves in near future. Different categories of milk sold under the Amul brand will become costlier by Rs 2 per litre from July 1st after a gap of over 1.5 years. After the hike, the price of Amul FCM, toned and standard milk will be Rs 58, 46 and 42 per litre respectively. The Rs 2 per litre hike translates to a 4% increase in MRP and it is much lower than the average food inflation. GCMMF cited higher input cost as the reason behind the price hikes across its different milk brands. It said input costs have increased on account of higher transportation charges, packaging and logistics. Considering the rise in input cost, Amul's union have also increased farmers' price in the range of Rs 45 to Rs 50 per kg of fat, which is more than 6% over the previous year. IFFCO Tokyo is digitizing its cattle insurance by deploying an artificial intelligence powered digital tech developed by Dwara eDairy Solutions. The artificial intelligence driven mobile application of Dwara eDairy captures muzzle images with the mobile phone, compares the cattle's unique digital identity stored in a secure cloud server and retrieves the results at the click of a button in less than 60 seconds. Conventional methods like polyurethane air tags can be easily tampered with and are prone to duplication and fraud. Also, injectable radio frequency identification RFID tags are expensive and require specialized skills. The grooves, valleys and bead structures, cattle muzzle prints have discriminative features, making them unique like human fingerprints. Surabhi eTag captures these features and can significantly improve the penetration of cattle insurance. According to Dwara, India has the largest cattle population of 300 million. Only 4% of these cattle are insured, while 6 to 8% are funded by lending institutions. Dairy company Heritage Foods Limited has announced its foray into ready-to-eat segment with the launch of Heritage Tikka Paneer, while expanding its yogurt footprint by launching it in Hyderabad. The Tikka Paneer comes with pre-marinated paneer mixed with curd, both produced at Heritage facilities, and a masala blend. It takes 30 to 60 seconds heating in an oven or a microwave and is ready to eat. It is available with microwavable trays with easy to understand instructions for use. On the launch of French yogurt brand Mamiova in Hyderabad, Ms. Brahmani said Heritage Novandi is proud to bring Mami, the beloved mascot, to Hyderabad after launching it in Maharashtra and Gujarat. The deliciously French fruit yogurt is available in mango, strawberry, lychee and blueberry flavors, along with Yo-Pop, a drinkable yogurt which is available in banana, vanilla, pina colada and mango flavors through the company's omni-channel distribution network. Hatsun Agro Product Limited, India's leading private sector dairy company, has introduced Arokya Paneer, a delectable new addition to its wide dairy product portfolio. Arokya Paneer is made using fresh milk sourced directly from farmers and natural lemon. The product will suit consumers who prefer superior quality products that are made in a world-class hygienic environment. Arokya Paneer will be unique offering as it uses lemon juice to curdle milk, the traditional way which ensures the texture of paneer remains soft that makes it suitable for preparing various dishes. Arokya Paneer will be launched in Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Goa, Maharashtra and Pondicherry. The product is available in 200 gram pack and is priced at rupees 100. Milk producer in Tamil Nadu have urged the state government to give a subsidy of rupees 5 per litre of milk to Avin, which has reduced the sale price by rupees 3 per litre. The Tamil Nadu Cooperative Milk Producer Federation, whose popular brand is known as Avin, will stand to lose rupees 270 crore a year due to the price reduction. The various district unions attached to the federation are already running at a loss, and farmer dues of rupees 500 crores are yet to be paid. The unions are also repaying loans of about 250 crores taken to pay farmer dues, said K. Muhammad Ali, State General Secretary, Tamil Nadu Milk Producers Association. Unless this step was taken, Avin would slowly sink into a debt trap and farmers would have to depend on private dairies for survival. Milk consumer did not ask for a price reduction. It was the government's decision and therefore it should subsidize the loss. The people are asking for a reduction in fuel prices, which the government refuses to give, he pointed out. A new clinical trial aims to provide scientific evidence of the role of palm deer milk in supporting a healthy lifestyle and improving the general nutrition in a community-dwelling older population over the age of 65. Palm deer milk is a natural source of concentrated nutrition. The composition and sensory aspects of deer milk have been thoroughly researched and could offer improved nutritional status and vitality due to its unique composition. It has significantly higher protein content compared to cow's milk with a different protein-fat ratio. Deer milk naturally contains vitamins and minerals that support skeletal and immune health, with additional minor components possessing anti-inflammatory effects. Muscle mass declines after 50 and older adults becomes prone to arthritis, showing potential for older adults to gain considerable benefit from the increased protein and anti-inflammatory properties of palm deer milk. PAMU are focusing on China and Southeast Asian market for product commercialization, hence the desire to target an Asian population in the trial. The High Value Nutrition Challenge, which funded this research, is a mission-led program of innovative research into the health attributes of New Zealand produced foods for major export markets.
Thanks for watching Dairy News 7x7 channel with news update from last 7 days. To continue receiving update from this channel, I Kuldeep Sharma request you to subscribe this channel and share and like the video, and also don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.